All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode. We are going to be reviewing the Chemical Guys Wash and Shine car cleaning kit today. It comes with this bucket and then everything that is along inside of this bucket. So I'm going to use it and then just give you a review on it, just kind of let you know how I thought it went, how I thought it cleaned, and if I think this is something that everybody else should buy. So we're going to start off with going over this wash mitt that they come in. It comes in a neon green color, which I don't really care too much about the color. I just care about the quality of the actual mitt itself. And I have used these mitts before, and they are actually a pretty good wash mitt. One thing I also like about it, just to add, is it comes with this little package in here. So one, you don't have to worry about it coming dirty, and then you also don't have to worry about it getting dirty, because as you can just slip it right back into the package here. So that is one thing that I do like about that kit, or that mitt, excuse me. And then we got the Diablo wheel cleaner here. The wheel cleaner, I have used the wheel cleaner before. Honestly, I think soap and water works just as good, but it does get the job done, and that is in the end all that you need. Second thing is the Mr. Pink Super Suds shampoo. I haven't actually had the opportunity to get my hands on this, so this will be the first time I will be using it. So yeah, that comes in the kit. Then you have some Total Interior Cleaner. I have actually used this. I have used a little bit of this today. I went ahead and used it on my car. So I don't really care too much for interior cleaners. I've also used this interior cleaner here, and I just always get streaks left on my vinyl and stuff, and I just don't really feel like it cleans all that much. So I'm kind of getting away from interior cleaners, but this does do dashboards, glass, your MMI screens, as well as leather and vinyl, so that's pretty cool. So it kind of comes as like an all-in-one kit. The next thing we're going to be talking about are these VRP vinyl, rubber, and plastic wipes. Now, I haven't actually used the wipes before. It comes in like a bottle like this, and I have used it like that, and it's actually worked pretty good for me. We'll see how these wipes do, see how they compare together, but I actually do like these the VRP stuff. Next thing it comes with is like one of the little debris catches, or whatever you want to call it. That way you can put your mitt into your bucket without having to catch up all the dirt. I mean, there ain't nothing special there. And you got just a 5-gallon bucket here. Nothing special there. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to do some before and after shots, and then we're going to go ahead and start washing the car. All right, so went ahead, got my buckets filled up and everything, and the first thing I noticed is we don't have any tire brushes. Now, I'm not going to waste me washing this car and not really do the tires because I don't have a good tire brush, and I'm not going to use the one that I'm going to hit my paint with, because that would be crazy. You just ruin your paint at that point. So I went ahead, got some other brushes. That is my first complaint about this kit though. So we're gonna go ahead, get everything else going, start washing the car though. All right, so in review of the actual kit itself, I thought the kit was pretty good. I feel like it got a pretty good finish on the car. It got it pretty clean. I hadn't washed it in probably a week or two, just so it would get real dirty and I could make a better video. So I feel like it did do pretty good. One thing I don't like is that it doesn't come with tire shine. I wish that it did come with tire shine. That is one more thing that you will have to purchase on top of that. And also, I recommend to use a different brush or a different mitt to wash your tire or your wheels. And the kit does not come with that either. So I do recommend getting something along those lines as well. And then once you get done washing your car, I like to go by and by hand dry my car. And it doesn't come with any microfibers like these. You can get a whole pack of these for like 50 bucks. I get them for like a pack of 100 for like 50 bucks at AutoZone. They don't have to be great, but I do like to have something just to dry the car. I think that's it. Oh yeah, and then it doesn't come with microfibers to wipe down your interior. So that is another thing that you will have to buy. So tire shine, tire brushes, and then microfibers or a drying towel, vice versa. They're kind of the same thing. You can use them for the same thing, but they do come separately if you would like them to get like that. But overall, the actual products clean the vehicle really well. The Diablo wheel cleaner, like I said, it works pretty good, but you can get by with soap and water and do just the same, and possibly get by with less streaking that the Diablo wheel cleaner leaves. I've noticed on chrome wheels that it will leave a lot more streaks, but chrome wheels are very finicky. They're very hard to clean, but everything else on the vehicle turned out pretty well. The glass cleaner, it done okay. I went back over it with some invisible glass just because I'm really picky about my windshields. I hate getting in a car and having a dirty windshield. So I ended up going back over it with some invisible glass, and it turned out okay after that. But apart from that, the kit was pretty decent. If I was going to rate the kit, I would probably give it a 7 or a 7.5, just because of those other products that you are going to have to purchase. But for 40 bucks, you can't really beat it. I would recommend it to somebody that's just starting out, just because it's a pretty easy kit to use. It's pretty straightforward. Spray the wheel cleaner on the wheels, use the mitt on your car, and then you're done. But you will have to make a few other purchases. So I'm going to go ahead, put some tire shine on this, finish up washing it with some like a 3-in-1 wax or something. I actually use this product right here from Griot's Garage, however you say that. It works pretty good for me, so I'm going to go ahead, spray down the car with it, put some tire shine on, and then be done for the day. If any of you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Any way I can get better on making these videos, or any videos that you would like to see in the future. Please leave a like so I can continue to do these kind of things for you guys. But apart from that, thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.